Hey guys, Mr. Hacker here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you two things. First, my coding partner, my ethical hacking partner, and second, I'm going to show you the program we are writing, me and her. Without wasting time, here she is. Wait. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow if you're watching this from TikTok. Anyways, let's dive into this error codes.
Hey guys, it's Ella Codes here with Mr. Hacker. Hope you like our AI and it's still in process. Thank you so much for liking Mr. Hacker. I hope you enjoy everything he does. We are giving you more and we are still gonna give you more. Thank you.
Coffee Black, Mr. Coffee. Now here's the program. It's a lot of code. You can see so many lines of code. So we are going to take a demo, or we are going to test this program and see what it can do. So first, let me run the program. Just take a quick little coffee break.
Welcome to Next Generation Artificial Intelligence. Initializing next. Starting all systems applications. Installing and checking all drivers. Calibrating and examining all the core processors.
Okay.
Checking the internet connection. Wait a moment please. All drivers are up and running. All systems have been activated. Now I am online. Good evening, boss. How can I call you, please?
Now, at this stage, you are going to register your name. So it will be remembering that name. You just need to log in at the first time you launch the program.
I am next. Online and ready, Mr. Hacker. Let's get done with this question and we get started.
Okay.
What do you want to do with this AI program? Developer, hacker, student, or you're a freelancer? Choose one of the objective.
Of course, I'm a hacker. I'm gonna choose A, or rather B.
You're welcome, Mr. Hacker. You're registered as a hacker.
Okay.
Have got all the info I need, so let's get started, Mr. Hacker. Any question?
So let's take this on the next step. We are going to ask it some different questions randomly. Yeah, you can leave a question in the comment section below. We are going to do a demo maybe at the end of this program. So let's just do a simple quick test and we see what this next AI have got. So the first question is, who is the best VJ you know?
Uganda's #1 finest video joker, and he owns a platform called Mono Watch, and I can provide you with the link.
Wow. Now, who is the owner of Mono Watch? That's basically a VJ Junior. Yeah, ever challenged but never equaled. So
kati bali bamaze okukitegeera era nga bamaze n'okutegeera wa computer program eyitibwa Nextweri.
Our next question is like, who developed you? Who is your developer? So your developer.
My developer is called Mr. H4CK3R, and he lives in Kampala, Uganda. Is well known in developing software.
Okay, now listen, we are just typing the commands, but again we can implement this code to just access our voice and recognize it. Then it gives us the feedback. That's why I'm just typing for now, as it's a demo. But the next time we are launching this program, it will be using the voice pick the commands through the voice. So just stay tuned and be patient. We are going to release this program very soon. So our next question is let's make some notes, because man, we have to take some confidentials and keep it secretly. So let's make him remember this. Sorry, mistaken. Remember this.
What would you like me to write down?
Let's say Mr. Hacker is the Uganda's last born hacker.
I've made a note of that.
So it will open a notepad with that word, the similar word you entered. So in case you've communicated to this AI through the voice, like as in remember this, or next remember this, next note this, then you speak out or you type in the document or the words you want this AI to remember. Then after, we can just click this, then our notepad will close and it will save the text file in the any directory. Then you can just search it through, then you can proceed with the program. So let's go on the next question. Let's take a screenshot. Maybe take a screenshot like that. Let's see.
By what name do you want to save the screenshot?
Okay, let's say test 1.
Alright, sir. Taking the screenshot. The screenshot has been successfully captured.
Now here is the screenshot test 1. If we open it, you can see it's here, the exactly what we are running right now. So this program can do so many things, and I think it will replace ChatGPT or Google Bard. Yeah, just kidding guys, but this program is awesome and I think it will help you in so many things. Let's go on. By the way, let's check our system that's running the next AI. Let's say show me the system, maybe.
Currently 34.2% of CPU, 4.2 GB of RAM out of total 7.9 GB is being used and battery level is at 100%.
Coffee break. And by the way, I'm taking mrhack.coffee. You can check it out. Yeah, you know everything IT requires some coffee, and you don't forget to check out mrhack.coffee. Anyways, I think we are good to go. This program can run online, as in like you can ask it if to show you your public IP address, and remember your public IP address should be private, because hackers can use that IP address to gain access to your systems like computers, your phones, and so many others, CCTV cameras. So just stay tuned with me. You will get to know how you can protect yourself, and don't forget to share these videos, because so many people need this knowledge, and you can make research for your own. And yeah, I think that's it.